Alright, so I got a Type S here with the innovative. He got the innovative mounts. Those are the solid mounts. They don't vibrate. You got innovative mounts here also. These are the ones that don't move. They're solid. It's the Type S, 3.5 liter VTEC. Came by for me to check out this Type S. Everything is good on this car. We did service, already did transmission fluid and did an oil change on this one, so it's good to go. The innovative mounts. He got a straight pipe on this one here, and it's lowered. True hard coilovers. Got the skated intake. He had a little issue, whatever, with the solenoid and stuff like that, but we fixed that. We cleared that up. Fan zone right now. 3.2. He got the Precat deletes here and in the back. Precat deletes. What the Precat deletes is that he basically got rid of the restricted catalytic converter, and he basically just had, it's like a straight pipe for the catalytic converter. So basically air would just flow straight through. He's in the process of getting a J pipe for the bottom, and then the bottom of the car is all straight pipe on the bottom. This shit is slammed. Look how sexy this look. Huh? Yo. You want to let them hear it? Look, I can't even get under this thing. It's a straight pipe all the way through. Yo, I don't even want you to rev this because, yo, this is too much, bro. This is with the straight pipe all the way around. That sounds nuts. That shit is slammed.
One of these days, you gotta go for a drive so you can hear the exhaust pipe, bro.
Yeah, I want to hear it
Crazy.
from the side. I want to hear it from, like, driving. You got the A-spec on it. It's with the factory. Well, this is with straight pipe all the way through. It's crazy.